Hi everyone, tonight as you can see I have the new Nintendo Switch 2019 edition. This is an unboxing video, so if you guys get the chance to see what is inside the box with me. So as you can see, as you open up the box, you have my instruction manual. Tells you how to plug it in and set it up, how to plug in the Joy-Cons. As you open up the box, you can see the actual device here on the right. This is the actual console itself, along with the right and left Joy-Cons. I'll place these one side to see what else is in the box. So as I lift it up, we have manual safety guide. We have, this seems to be Joy-Con grip. I believe you're able to slip the Joy-Cons in there to have a better grip experience. On this side here, we have the Joy-Con wrist strap, and the other wrist strap is here as well. On the left, this has to be the power brick and the HDMI cable. And finally, on the right, this last thing should be the dock. This will be what allows you to connect the Switch to any TV or monitor to play the games on larger screen. The dock, you can see, comes with USB port, micro USB power in, HDMI out, and I believe your switch slides in here to be connected to the USB Type-C cable inside. And here you have it. This is a brief unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2019 edition, which is pretty much the same as the original edition, but I believe that this one has a slightly larger battery than the previous edition. Thank you for watching.